Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with 5 easy arm exercises that are gonna help you burn fat and tone. Let's get right into it. All right, first up, we have opposite arm rotations, all right? One comes down and back and one comes forward and up, all right? So opposite twisting, all right? But make sure you're not moving your body and leaning into it too much, all right? Keep a nice straight back and really just isolate those arms, all right? That's where you're really gonna feel it. And even though we're just working our arms throughout this entire workout, remember a nice, strong stance, all right? Tucked in core, all right? Closed rib cage, a little bend in your knee, proud chest, long, elegant neck, very good. Your entire body's engaged. You'll feel it even more in just your arms if your entire body is activated. All righty, and 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Next, we have some lateral pulses. All right, quickly up and down, quick. All right, just moving a few inches up and down. Lots of tension throughout your arms. Remember that good posture. Breathe. I know sometimes we hold our breath when we're focusing on something, but it's so important to deliver oxygen to your muscles, especially when you're working out. All right, chin up, very good. Quick. I know it's starting to burn. You got this. And 3, 2, 1, release, very good, shake it out. Next, we have a prayer raise, hands together overhead, all right? And we're gonna press all the way up. So just pressing up, prayer press, prayer raise, whatever you wanna call it, up and down, all right? Really squeezing your hands together even, all right? So you're gonna feel it going up and down, but make sure you have good contact, all right? Very good, up, down, as much as you can go up without scrunching your shoulders. Make sure you press those shoulders down, all right? So there's a difference between this and this, all right? We don't want that. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have some small arm circles, right back out to the side, I know, and we're gonna go forward a little bit, a few seconds, and then go ahead, stop, that takes control, and then go backwards. All right, so back a few seconds, and then forward. Very good. Breathing, you got this. Awesome job. It's the size of a little baseball, all right? Like you're making a little baseball, all right? Too much, you're not gonna feel it as much, so really small and tight circles. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have a arm crossover. Now you can have your hands facing up or down for this. Hands out to the side, crossover, open, and then the other one crosses over. So right over left, and then left over right. Now, if your palms are facing down, you're gonna feel it more here on your outer arm. If they're facing up, you're gonna feel it more in your chest. All right, so go ahead and choose what you would like to work on a little bit more. Out, and then close, tight. Squeeze your chest muscles. And when you open your arms, make sure you're not opening your rib cage. We're not going like this, all right? Boom, close it, in. Tuck in that tummy, tuck in that core, all right? We're not swinging open like that. That's really bad for your spine. Tight. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. There we have it, set 1, big breath. We're going right into set 2. Very good, starting with our arm rotations, opposite arm rotations. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Lateral pulses, let's go. Woo, burn, baby, burn. You got this, push through. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Prayer raise. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. Shake it out. Small arm circles. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Finishing strong with the arm crossover. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, celebrate, wiggle it out. We're almost done. Third set, big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Lateral pulses. Let's go. Woo, burn, baby, burn. You got this. Push through. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Prayer raise. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. Shake it out. Small arm circles. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Finishing strong with the arm crossover. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, celebrate, wiggle it out. And there we have it, 3 sets of 5 super effective arm workouts. I know I'm feeling it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, what videos you would like to see more of. If you have a favorite workout here on the channel, drop that link so someone else can try it. And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.